Hey guys, and welcome to the video. So today we are going to be installing some headlights on my 2007 Mustang GT. So as you can see, these are the current ones that are in there right now. They don't look bad. I've had them cleaned up once, and then these over here. Well, first, as you can see, they have halos in there, but they don't work. The fogs also have halos, but I'm going to see if I can fix those today. And now let's see the new parts. Alright, so I went ahead and bought the Raxiom S550 style headlights. As you can see, I think they're going to look super awesome. So one headlight, two headlight. They came with these connectors for the accent lighting. So these are the bulbs that came inside of it. Yeah, I went ahead and bought LEDs, so we're going to be installing these as well, and I think they're going to look real awesome, and also going to keep the white and bluish light similar as opposed to that white and yellow light you'll get with these. I also went ahead and bought inverters, and these are for the halo lights. I found out that you need inverters. I did not know that before, so I just assumed they were just burnt out. But we're going to see if we can get the fog lights working, and if the main ones work on the headlights, we'll also go ahead and test those, maybe sell them later or something. If you guys want them, let me know. Hit me up. Let's see if they work, and you'll see if they do in this video. And then also for a later date, we got some friction modifier for our rear diff. I was going to do that today, but I found out that you need like 24 hours to let everything set before you can drive it. I don't have that much time to waste right now, so that's for another day. But without further ado, we're going to start installing these awesome headlights. Alright, so we have the front end off. There's the intercooler right there. Looks pretty cool. I've actually never seen it taken off before. There's the turbo, condenser, see emitter it is, not too bad. Radiator. So here's my HIDs for the fogs. I was curious where this little box was located at, finally found it. And the other one's right here. And yeah, there's the bumper. Fogs are in pretty good condition, nothing crazy. Here's the craziness, check this out. New, old, obviously, but like, this thing just looks like there's no comparison to how fucking bad that looks. Same with here. That's even after I thought it was looking pretty clean too. But nope, 1,000 times better. Old, new. Now, what I have here, bought some cables, shrink wrap, solder gun, connectors. May not need these because they came with those. So all I gotta do now is just go ahead and hook them up. I did have LEDs. Hang on. So I did have LEDs installed on these previously, as you can see right here. They did a pretty good job, but time to move on to better ones right there. Alright, so the other big thing I wanted to do, so I guess he used to have HIDs in the headlights as well, but like, I don't know what happened, but this looks like crap. So I'm going to go ahead and take out these extra wires and then solder this up properly all down through here, make this look presentable. Same thing on this one. Like, that's just unacceptable, loose wires hanging around. And then this random cable back here is what used to go, there's a switch located in the cabin for the halos. But I think I'm going to hook up to the fog lights. It'll just make my life easier. Or not fog lights, I'm sorry, the parking lights. So we can just hook those up. This looks, I've never actually seen my front end apart this much. It's kind of weird. Yeah, so we're going to continue doing that. I'm not going to film, well, maybe I will, I don't know. We're going to go ahead and fix all these solder up though. Get this working.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Alright, so just so you guys can see how this fits in, so here's the old bulb right there. So all we're going to do is unplug it, like so. It's unplugged. And then we're just going to undo these, 1, 2 like so. Pop out the old bulb. Put that back here for now. The new bulb. So I don't know if the little cap is, but it doesn't fit if it's on there, so we're not going to have that on there. And then just have to line up the straight part, which is somewhere in here. Should go in like this. Yep, there we go, right like that. And then we just have to wedge these around like so. Hook one on one side, hook the other on the other side, and it's in. So now the LED is installed. All we got to do is just push this wiring in a little bit so it's not in the way, and it'll be good.
we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
This is the weirdest thing. So these are actually really good. I'm a huge fan of these. But check out this fog light. So it looks pretty burnt out until you like cross the cable, and all of a sudden it comes on bright. What the hell? I've never seen anything like that. That is so weird. But I'm not going to use that because that's obviously like as soon as it turns off, turns back on, comes out dim again. Kind of sucks. Nothing you can do about it though. So these are going back in the car. We're going to leave them unhooked because I'd rather just have them be off than like purple and looking weird. But yeah, so far so good. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the install of the Raxiom DRL headlights. All that's left is really to wait till it gets dark out and then we'll do a quick test. I also got to make sure I can aim them, so once it gets dark out again, I'll aim them and see what the heck I'm looking at. But I think these things look absolutely awesome. Make sure you guys leave a big thumbs up, give a like on the video if you want to, and subscribe if you're feeling it. Like, this is definitely this is my first aesthetic upgrade that I've done to the car, and I think it's huge win. It looks amazing. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And here's what they look like with just the ribbed on. So as you can see, they're pretty bright. They give a little bit of illumination in front of the car. They look really good. But there you have it guys. So unfortunately I don't have a before shot, just because I didn't really think about doing it, unfortunately, so that's my bad. But like, these are real good. Hell yeah, that's awesome. Brights, brights are freaking ridiculous in this thing. I'll show you when we get closer. But there's brights. It's like a huge spotlight. No brights. So I absolutely love these things. Anyway, that's the night test. Here's with fog lights on. Because they're HIDs, you gotta wait for them to warm up a little bit. Lots of fogs, no fogs. But even then, like where the fog light ends, so right about there, that's where my old headlights would stop. You just can't see any further. But these do, like, this camera does not do these lights justice of how well these look. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day or night or whenever this posts. And as always, leave a like, give a comment, and subscribe if you want to follow this build. Definitely let me know your opinion of what you think of these things. I think they look absolutely awesome. Anyway, guys, have a good night.